Welcome to the Equus Bet Finder ShowReel. We decided to offer a bet finder into the B2B market to allow sportsbooks and affiliate platforms to increase horse racing turnover. To do that, you need to increase brand loyalty and empower your clients. Give them the tools to have a great experience and they will return time and time again. It would help if you also attracted a new younger audience, and then the sport can continue to flourish and grow. To do that, you need new, fast, user-friendly technology. It's what the youngsters expect. Now, as a sportsbook or affiliate platform, you want to make the process easy for your clients to place the bets. Many punters out there do not understand horse racing, and because of this, they dally over placing a bet or completely halt placing bets because they're overwhelmed and confused. The aim is to attract more of that Grand National Day audience to everyday horse racing, and we now have the answer to give your clients the confidence to place bets on horse racing more often. BetFinder hits both sides of the coin. It's for your astute form reading punters, and it's also simple to use to attract crossover clients from such sports as soccer, tennis and golf who may be new to horse racing. We also wanted it to appeal to online casino audiences, and we believe we've achieved that with the gamified experience. BetFinder will appeal to a much wider audience than what is currently available and drive turnover, especially with the crossover clientele from other sports and the online casino users. It had to be mobile, desktop and tablet compatible, and this all needs to work simultaneously with the platform's wallet, so selections are added to BetSlip instantly. We also made the software for worldwide horse racing and multi-territorial. So if you want UK, Irish or even US racing, among others, it's merely a case of plugging in the required data and away we go. The Bet Finder is easy to integrate and custom to your specification. There's nothing you're about to see that can't be changed in some way to your liking. It can be delivered as secure web components or direct via our APIs, and we can produce a custom horse rating for your software. The interface can be integrated into your sportsbook as an iframe. It can also be called via a button that temporarily overlays the screen, and as soon as the selections are added to BetSlip, the screen could close and the sportsbook wallet is shown. You can even split the modular components of the BetFinder up anywhere on your sportsbook. As you can see on the right hand side of the screen here, we have the mobile version playing out alongside the tablet desktop version. So the first thing you'll notice when looking at the BetFinder is the branding, style and layout. This is a mock version and can be built with your brand in mind. The BetFinder is fast. It has been built using an elastic search, and so everything is instant and a bet can be placed in as little as 10 seconds. Speed was our number one priority. When the BetFinder first loads, you can show the user an instructional tutorial on each of the main features via these modals. Alternatively, users can click the I buttons whilst using the software to have certain features explained quickly. You can see how that looks on the desktop here and mobile. When creating the Bet Finder, we wanted it to appeal to your astute horse racing punter and also those who were probably too afraid to bet on racing in the past, which is why we added the Genie. In just a few clicks or taps, the Genie provides selections for the user to then go and place accumulator bets or single bets as they so choose. You can further delve into the filtering below with many filters provided for the more astute racing fan. Again, all these filters can be added or taken away. Every component is modular and custom. So you may be looking at the Genie function as a bookmaker and offering tip advice. You don't want your brand being associated with that tip. There are a few options here. We're happy for the Genie function to be shown as the Equus top rated. Alternatively, you could change Genie for a well-known racing pundit, presenter or writer to be the top rating presenter. The final option is to remove the Genie function and provide the filtering system below that is entirely user powered. It only provides information to the user based on what they filter as important to them. So let's get into the bones of the Bet Finder. The Genie offers top rated, long shots or favourites. Top rated is an algorithm of your choice. When tapped, it returns all the top rated horses signified by the top rated icon. Long shot is another algorithm which is again favoured horses with a more significant price. Favourites Genie filter will select all current favourites in each race. This is a live odds, so it can change 1 minute to the next as the markets change. Each of the Genie filters can be customised to meet your needs. And now a rundown of the user-defined filters. So, as you can see on the filter section, we have race filters, which covers flats, jumps, all-weather, handicaps and non-handicaps. The horse's last time out, with they won, placed, beaten favourite, or won at the course. We have a weight difference, class difference, distance difference, and going difference. In horse's form, won in the last 3, placed, first time equipment, recent wind operation, class career win, course career win, distance career win, and recent strike rates and days since last run. Jockey form, again, won in last 3, placed, good on the course, and recent strike rates. Again, the same for the trainers. And finally, an odds range. These filters aren't limited. More can be added in a custom version, and features can also be taken out to simplify the filter process. A system I like to use is top rated on the flats, non-handicap races, and I like the horse to have placed last time out. As you can see, as I was pressing the buttons, the Elasticsearch kicks in and intuitively filters down the day's horses. On mobile, you press the Show Results button to show the search results, whereas on a desktop or tablet, it's delivered to the screen's right. When we see the results of our search, we can sort them by odds, win percentage, or place percentage. We can also choose to focus on particular race courses using the courses filter here. You can click the stats button here and open up some spotlight stats covering win and place percentages. If you want to delve even further into a horse, you can click more stats and see sex, age, weight, pin sticker comments, last time out comments, and a handy course, distance and going win percentages table. Again, this can all be as detailed as you prefer. As you can see here, we have an upcoming races button. As races run for the day, you will see a results button that will show you the day's racing results and the results of the horses you chose with your race filters. So we have 6 selections that we are happy with, and we want to place a single bet. We click the odds here next to the horse we want, and this will automatically add the horse to our bet slip wallet over on the sportsbook. You could have your bet slip overlay the screen, or you could have the bet finder closed down and navigate the user straight to their wallet to place the bet. If the user would like to place an accumulator bet, we have the tips feature. This is a bet suggestion tool which is very cool. After clicking this button, we can see that we have been offered a series of accumulator bets, a double, treble or fourfold. It details the return that can be made of each of these accumulators to £10 stakes. Suppose we are not happy with a particular accumulator. In that case, we can regenerate it by pressing the generator button, and the algorithm will suggest a new accumulator bet based on your filter choices. Once happy, click the button and immediately add to bet slip. Let's say the user wants to create their own accumulator bet. Simple. Click the bet builder button and the user can select as many of their horses as they wish, and the handy calculator shows the user what they are likely to win based on £10 stakes. Once happy, click the button and immediately add to bet slip and place bets. Further up the screen, you see we have our calendar and backtesting area, which allows the user to see how their chosen filter criteria would have fared in the past. This works with a handy calendar function. So if we are happy with today's results and want to see how our filters would have fared yesterday, we would click back one day. On the calendar here, we can check the results on any given day of the year. We can also search back results stats for the past 12 months, which produces total winners, total places with strike rates. That's the end of the Bet Finder showcase. If you're interested in discussing taking your horse racing to the next level, please return to your referring agent and we can set up a meeting.